Hey guys, this is Matt Reisinger from The Build Show. My company down here in Austin, Texas just completed a big project using a lot of Fortress products. And I want to tell you about this FE26 H Series cable rail. This is a panelized system, which makes it a lot easier for me as the builder because all these cable rails, you don't need to pull these. These are already pre-installed, they're tight, they're ready to go. Now they come in two heights, 34 and 40 inches. This is the 34. And we use this on this job as both a deck railing and a back fence on this project because we back here to this beautiful lake. So this is wonderful. We don't block the view. We've got a really modern aesthetic, but it's panelized, so it went really fast. There's some options on posts. We've got 2-inch and 3-inch posts available. And the other thing I really like about these is high corrosion protection. The steel railing is protected with Fortress Shield, which includes 4 layers of protection, including E-coat and powder coating. E-coat is what they dip cars with for corrosion resistance. They've got a 15-year warranty on this. They're using 3/16 stainless on the rails. It's a nice product. You can learn more on the Fortress website.